Okay, so now for the footer, let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's put background color silver. And what else should we do? Let's put a border on the bottom. Okay, let's put 3 pixel of solid orange. Saved it, and there it is. And see that's too close to that one. So let's say I want anything, I need at least 15 pixel of space on the top. And it's a little tricky when things are, floating. So again, this just shows that I'm not a master of. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay. Okay, so even I am not so good. That should give you some hope. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put a padding. Okay, this is driving me a little crazy, but that's okay. All right. So anyway, you kind of got the idea. So this is, I created a bunch of website. Now let's change some of the font. Let's say that is too big. Okay. So where is that located? This is contained in the left nav division, right? So what I will say is, okay, and I'm gonna make sure I organize this well. So go to the left nav division, and that was an H2 tag, right? There was an H2 tag over here. So I'm gonna say H2 tags within left nav division. Let's say font size, I want you to be 55 pixel. That's going to be huge. There it is. Okay, that was almost too big. Let's do 25 pixel. Okay, that looked pretty good. And on the margin, see how this naturally has a lot of margin? Let's say I don't want that much margin. I only want 5 pixel margin. Okay, and well, let's do 0 pixel. And let's say, don't put any padding between me. Okay, and yeah, okay. Let me illustrate what this does. Okay, if you want to know how things are, you can just always use background color. Okay, so it seems like it has a little bit padding because it's not so close to the border from the top to bottom. So let's just leave that, and let's also make the color blue. And let's put a underline. Okay, perfect. And then see how I also use paragraphs over here, right? Okay, so what I will also say is the paragraphs in division, okay, I want you to have a background of green. Perfect. Okay, now see how this paragraph and this paragraph is separated by some pixel? It's probably because that P paragraph already has a natural margin. What would happen if I say make everything just as close as possible? See how that just got joined together? Let's say instead of, let's put 2 pixels. So that is, anything that's, placed right next to the pixel paragraph is 2 pixels apart. So here what I'll do is I'll say on the top, you separate one paragraph from the other by at least 10 pixel on the top and the bottom, and on the left, don't worry, just make it as close as you want. Okay. Alright, so now that's done. Let's make the color of this font also white. Okay. Sounds good. Doesn't look so bad, huh? Okay, so we got a header, we got a link, we got some stuff that we put in here, we got a picture, some content, and we got a footer. And see how simple the site looks, right? HTML just purely has the structure, and using CSS, I play around with the font size, how things look, where things are placed, and so forth. So CSS is beautiful.